Similarities between Python and JavaScript. Both languages are object-oriented based on objects and their interactions. They both offer flexibility in coding style. Both have a large number of libraries and frameworks for developers. Both languages are open source and free to use and modify. Differences between Python and JavaScript. Python is a general-purpose language used for scripting. JavaScript is primarily for web development. Syntax in Python is simpler and more readable than in JavaScript. Python has a larger standard library than JavaScript. Python is better suited for data science and machine learning, while JavaScript excels in front-end web development. Popularity of Python versus JavaScript. Python is the most popular language with a rating of 10.24% according to TOB Programming Community Index. JavaScript is the second most popular language with a rating of 8.75%. Python versus JavaScript performance. Python is generally faster and more efficient than JavaScript. JavaScript, being dynamically typed, requires more time and resources to execute code. Python versus JavaScript syntax. Python uses whitespace to delineate code blocks. JavaScript uses curly braces. Python has fewer keywords than JavaScript, making it easier for beginners. Python versus JavaScript libraries and frameworks. Python has a wide range of libraries for data science, machine learning, web development, etc. JavaScript's popular libraries and frameworks are mostly for front-end web development, such as React and Vue. Is Python easier than JavaScript? The ease of learning depends on personal preference. Python's simpler syntax and fewer keywords could be easier for some, while others may find JavaScript's extensive libraries and frameworks easier to grasp. Python versus JavaScript for web development. Python is often used for back-end development, JavaScript for front-end development. Python is also used for web scraping, while JavaScript is used for dynamic web pages and interactive web applications. Conclusion: Python and JavaScript are popular programming languages with many similarities and differences. Python is a general-purpose language, while JavaScript is a scripting language for web development. Python is more popular, but JavaScript is better suited for web development tasks. The choice between Python and JavaScript ultimately depends on personal preference and task requirements.